else's job is to wreck him out. The cars are outnumbering the van. Wow, look at all the cars, Eric.
Well, how many laps do you think the Gauntlet's going to make? Do you think he can make more than 5 laps?
Here they go! Here they go!
I guess we'll find out. It's Scary Gary in that van.
Scary Gary's going to be scared because they're coming.
It's like a wolf pack.
Here they go already.
Oh!
Whoa!
There goes the 97.
Oh, into the wall we go.
One goes down. Watch out for debris, John. It's coming around. Yeah, it's like a wolf pack. Hungry.
Oh, Scary Gary to the inside. He's hanging in. This is lap 2, maybe. Come on, Gary. Who's got the Gauntlet? There goes the tire.
Someone lost the tire. It's the caddy.
It's
the caddy lost the tire.
Red flag. Red flag as we've got
a rolling tire toward the infield. Is that the caddy tire? Look at this thing. It's going to bounce off the 43. Boom.
Get your tire, driver. Get your tire. Yes or no? You going to get him? You're going to get him. All right.
All right, he's going to get him.
Here we go.
Trying to make that second lap for that Gauntlet. It is. It's like a wolf pack, a hungry wolf pack. Hungry car wolf pack, that is. Oh, he got him spinning, but no, Scary Gary hanging on. Listen to those Pontiacs. Gary being a smart inside, outside, sneaking around. Oh! Almost had him on the inside.
I'm cheering for Gary, Eric.
Yeah, I always like a Gauntlet when he's outnumbered. This is lap number 3.
And our champion's right behind him.
Wow. Oh, can Gary even see with a hood up? Oh,
he
no!
Going around.
Oh, there goes the hood. He's still available. Oh, they may have just boxed him in.
Oh, they pinned him in.
It's like a bull charge now. Can he find his way out?
Is he going to do it? I don't know. Oh. Oh, boo! He's getting through there. Look out.
Uh-oh.
He's going through the X, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at this. Scary Gary not done. Oh, look at this. They're shortcutting them everywhere. Oh, the caddy.
It's still running.
Gary, he doesn't know where to go anymore. Oh, the caddy! That caddy's done some damage here tonight. Trying to make lap number 4. That's a 4th lap.
Are we on lap 4?
That's 4.
Halfway down. Can Scary Gary do it?
Oh! Everybody's spinning each other out too.
Uh-oh. He's stuck over there. Let's see.
Try that inside.
Oh, they're trying to shut him down. Let's see if that Ford van can make it through here.
Oh, the 66 on the reverse bangaroo.
Eric, wasn't that the Ford van that was in our Knicks beating and banging boat race?
It might have been. It really might have been. Holy Snoopy dragging the whole car.
Yeah, he's definitely got a few problems.
Some of these cars just love doing the laps. Look at this on the back stretch over there for the bleacher creatures. The 44 machine.
It's over. The checkered flag is out. Scary Gary made it halfway.
Yeah, he never made lap 5. He gets 4
Let's give it up for Scary Gary. Let's give it up for the Gauntlet drivers. Eric, I ain't never seen nothing so crazy.
Anytime you get to drive around the track and hit another car and it's legal, that's got to be a lot of fun.
Yeah. All right.